Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm the editor-at-large of Boating Magazine, and boats are my life. When I'm not playing in them, I'm working in them, and when I'm not working in them, I'm working on them. I like to do a lot of my own maintenance. Today I've got to change the fuel-water separator, and Mercury has a very unusual part because they use a water sensor in there that talks to the engine system. Guess what? Sierra has an exact replacement for that. Unscrew this and you can screw the water sensor right back into it. Sierra parts come with some of the strongest warranties in the marketplace. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this job, and keep in mind that if you think you need to change the part on a fuel water separator, you better do it. Place a container beneath the filter large enough to capture any spilled fuel. Select the appropriate Sierra part number for your motor. If your fuel system has a water sensor, disconnect it from the wire harness, leaving it in place in the filter for now. Unscrew the filter using a wrench if needed and place it in the container for easy removal. Allow the container to stay in place until all the fuel stops draining. Working outside the boat, remove the water sensor from the filter, capturing any residual fuel in the filter. Screw the sensor into the new filter using a wrench. Snug it down, but don't over-tighten it. Now screw the new filter in place. Reconnect the water sensor to the wiring harness. Squeeze the fuel ball to repressurize the fuel system. This boat doesn't have one, and in our case, it didn't need it. If you have a water supply, you can start the motor and idle it until it runs smoothly with full fuel flow. That's it, job done. And because I could find all the parts I needed at sierraparts.com, I didn't have to run around town filling my shopping list one part at a time.